Using a video conferencing application is a great way to keep communication lines open between those who work from home. Zoom is a well-liked option, as seen by the recent rise in its user base. The inability to use one's camera while attending or hosting a Zoom conference is one of the common problems. Here's what you need to do to make things right. In order to check whether your video camera is operating, Zoom provides a utility. You can use this tool to see if you can fix the issue. Here's how to do that. Open the Zoom application, sign into your account, click on Settings, click on Video, choose the correct camera, uncheck Turn off my video when joining meeting. Click on the Advanced button. Check all boxes and choose Auto for the drop-down boxes. The camera may not work if it is attached to the wrong USB port. Connect this to another port and restart the computer to see if it helps. A corrupt camera driver may be at blame for the issue. Therefore, you'll need to reinstall the software. Right-click on the Start button, click on Device Manager. Click on the forward arrow before imaging devices. Right-click on the webcam, then click on Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver. Restart the computer if an update has been applied. A corrupt camera driver may be at blame for the issue. Therefore, you'll need to reinstall the software. To uninstall Zoom, click on Start, click on Settings, click on Apps, click on Zoom, click on Uninstall. Please go to https://zoom.us/download to have Zoom installed on your computer. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it if you can leave a like, subscribe to our channel, or share this video to your friends. This can greatly help in making sure that Google's algorithm can find and recommend this video to others.